Hello, my name is Osama Ali and I am from BG Interiors Decor. A few months ago, we featured an episode compiling our best kitchen design trends, and there was a surge of requests suggesting we should go in depth into tips on designing your dream kitchen. Your wish is my command. Today's episode on BG Interiors Decor. We will be sharing more than just tips, details on the kitchen design that most people would miss out and end up making a regretful mistake. We hope this episode could inspire and guide you through learning more about the right kitchen design that suits your cooking lifestyle.
Tip number 2. Optimizing space. The kitchen layout is usually dictated by the size of the kitchen. The more space you have, the larger of a kitchen cabinet you could fit. However, if space is limited, space optimization is very crucial. Merging the dining table and the kitchen island allows you to have a larger centerpiece. Joining a small dining table to the kitchen cabinet could allow you to have a dual-function workspace, a dining top and a peninsula worktop for preparation. Maximizing usage of dead L-shaped corners. Most of the time, the L-shape and U-shaped kitchen would encounter having inconvenient, inaccessible corners. And with today's varieties of kitchen accessories solutions, this problem could be easily resolved. If you have limited worktop space in your kitchen, consider having a customized cover that could be placed above your cooking hob or a chopping board that fits over your sink. This would allow for additional space for preparation when necessary. Instead of having empty splashback, utilize the space for cups and small storage capacity. Making use of cabinet doors for extra storage, but it is advisable not to place too heavy items to avoid de-alignment to your kitchen doors. Consider having a trolley or kitchen cart. You could use it to store daily sauces and oils instead of cluttering the tabletop space. And the top of the trolley could be used as a chopping board for preparation top while cooking.